Hello guys, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to change ringtone on your iPhone. So let's start. So first you should go like settings. Then you can just look the sound option and tap here. Here is showing some many option and you can choose like ringtone. I just tap here. Then you can choose the number, which number you want to set ringtone. Alright. Then I just tap like primary. Then here is showing some many ringtone. You can just choose anyone as you want. I just set again default one. Then I go back. Yeah, now it's already set. I just show you another one. Then you can understand. I just enable the braking. Yeah, it's now set already. So that's it. Thanks for the watching.